Okay. So how are you guys today?
I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah. Apa tuh? What's the other response? Selain I'm fine.
I'm great.
I asked you, how are you? How are you doing? How's it going?
I'm great.
I'm great. Terus
great.
what else? I'm doing well.
I'm doing well.
I'm doing great. I'm doing just fine.
I'm very good.
I'm doing okay. I'm doing good. I'm good. I'm okay. Ya, itu banyak ya. Jadi tidak selalu I'm fine. Sebenarnya pun ada perbedaan. There are actually some differences between saying I'm fine, I'm good, and I'm okay. Sebenarnya ada sedikit perbedaan juga tentang kalau orang yang menjawabnya I'm fine, I'm good, sama I'm doing well itu sebenarnya ada sedikit perbedaan. But that's too much ya. Itu butuh waktu yang panjang. Okay, so how many people are already here? Let's see. 12. So 11 people.
Ada 2 buku.
Do you want to wait for another 3 minutes?
Hadir, Miss. Ila hadir.
Okay. So today the material is about shopping.
Shopping.
Yeah, we are going to shopping together.
Yeah, I bet everybody likes shopping here. Because me myself, I do like shopping, especially online shopping.
Yep.
Okay, so if you want to see on your ebook, it's gonna be on page 40. Ini ada di halaman 40.
Udah.
So we're not really gonna be learning every chapter in this ebook. Jadi kita nggak belajar di setiap berurutan. Misalnya dari bab di 1, entar ada 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. No, we'll be jumping to one another. Jadi kita loncat-loncat sesuai dengan kebutuhannya dan yang sesuai sudah di kayak di rencanakan sama lesson plan aku. So today we're going to be talking about shopping. Apa sih itu shopping?
Belanja.
Berbelanja. Shopping is not only about buying clothes, buying shoes or anything of fashion stuff. It's not about fashion things, but shopping is also about grocery store. Ya, kayak misalnya what is it, grocery store? I mean grocery shopping. Grocery is like buying belanja bulanan. Nah, itu grocery. Jadi ada yang namanya grocery. Ya, itu biasanya kebutuhan. Belanja kebutuhan, misalnya makanan, deterjen dan lain-lain, itu bisa disebutnya grocery. Jadi shopping isn't only about buying fashions. So in here we're talking about probably in the shop, in the fashion shop, shopping. Oh, I haven't shared my screen. So can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, shopping. Here. Again, we will start every conversations with the small talk. Okay, it's not written in the ebook here in every conversation, tidak ditulis di setiap awal, but try to always make the small talk. Selalu coba untuk diawali dengan small talk ya. Apa sih small talk ya? Hi. How are you gitu ya. I'm doing well. Nah, karena ini ceritanya a salesperson dengan orang lain, jadi kita nggak perlu nanya balik juga nggak apa-apa. Kalau kita ke toko, kita ditanya apa kabar, kita jawab baik, kita nggak perlu nanya balik lagi. Kalau untuk untuk ke store, untuk kita berbelanja. Tapi kalau mau nanya balik pun nggak apa-apa. Kalau mau ingin lebih sopan. Ya, so always start with the small talk. Supaya enggak ini aku tulis di sini ya. Misalnya salesperson. So S gonna be for salesperson. So he or she would say, hello, good morning atau good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing? And then you can say, so I'm gonna give a G for Gloria here. Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing? Hi. Great. Atau I'm doing great. Thanks. Don't forget to say thanks or thank you. Okay, this is the very first 2 lines. Paling pertama, paling awal, small talk. Hello, good morning. How are you doing? Hi, I'm doing great. Thanks. But if you want to add another, that's fine. Kalau kalian mau bertanya lagi balik, I'm doing great. Thanks. What about you? Atau how about you? And how are you? How's it going? Gitu. Nanti dijawab lagi kalau ditanya lagi ya. Oh, I'm great. I'm okay. I'm good. That's up to you. And then you can start with, can I help you? What is can I help you? Bisakah?
Apa bisa saya bantu?
Ada yang bisa saya bantu? Ya, can I help you? Jadi kalau kalian mau bertanya sesuatu juga ke orang lain, misalnya if you see somebody on the street that is having a hard time or needs a hand, you can just ask them, can I help you? Do you need help? Gitu. And then, yes, I'm looking for a sweater. So as yesterday I was talking about, somebody was asking about mencari, ya kan? So it shows up here. I'm looking for. What is I'm looking for? Mencari.
Mencari.
Ya, jadi ada beberapa collocation, ada looking at, looking for, tapi kalau looking for adalah mencari. I'm looking for a sweater. Saya sedang mencari sweater. Ya, sweater itu apa ya, baju hangat lah ya. In a size medium. Dalam ukuran medium atau kalian juga bisa ya, bisa juga sebut medium size langsung, misalnya gini. I'm looking for a sweater. Medium size. I'm looking for a sweater, small size. I'm looking for a sweater, large size. Atau mau pakai lebih lengkap seperti ini juga bisa. I'm looking for a sweater in a size medium, in a small medium, in an extra large medium. And then let's see. Nah, maksudnya let's see itu bukan ayo kita lihat, no. Let's see means like sebentar ya gitu. Sebentar ya, pokoknya kayak let's see itu it's giving what is it, like
just a minute.
jeda ya. Ya, jadi si orang salesnya ini mikir dulu nih ada nggak ya gitu. So here's a nice white one. Nah, di sini nih biasanya suka ada yang bingung kenapa sih ada kata one di sini. Nah, one di sini ini menggantikan kata sweater. Ya, kalau lengkapnya gini, here's a nice white sweater. Nah, karena bendanya sudah disebutkan di awal, disebutnya jadi one. Makanya kalau misalnya kita berbelanja, oh I want this one. Bukan berarti saya mau ini satu, maksudnya satu barangnya. Tapi I want this one. Kita mau ini nih barang ini gitu. Ya. I want this one itu bukan artinya saya mau ini satu gitu. Tapi saya mau barang ini gitu. Here's a nice white sweater or here's a nice white one. Ini yang bagus nih gitu kan. Ini yang warna putih bagus gitu. What do you think? Bagaimana menurutmu? Ya, kalau biasanya kalau di store di sini kan, nih ada yang putih bagus gimana Kak gitu kan. Nah, so what do you think? I think I'd rather, ini dibacanya I'd. Pernah ketemu sebelumnya kan? I'd ini dari kata apa? I would. I would, ya. Dari kata I would. I would rather, nah ini I would rather ini jadi satu. I would rather have it in blue. Saya pikir I would rather itu lebih ke apa ya? Lebih prefer. Apa sih prefer itu? Lebih
Lebih milih. Lebih suka.
Iya, saya sih lebih sukanya gitu ya. I would rather, tapi bukan artinya I would rather itu selalu artinya saya lebih suka ya, tapi prefer.
Lebih memilih.
What is prefer? Iya, lebih memilih. I
Ya.
would rather have it in blue. Saya lebih suka yang warna biru. Makanya di sini pakainya have it in blue. Bukan berarti artinya saya lebih mau punya warna biru. No. Kalau dalam perkataan kan artinya seperti itu. Tapi kalau ini I would rather have it in blue. It-nya ini artinya sweater. Kayak kalau dilengkapi jadi I would rather have the sweater in blue gitu. Saya lebih tertariknya, lebih sukanya sama warna yang biru sweaternya. Okay. Here's blue. Nah, here's ini dibacanya here's dari kata here is digabung jadi here's. Here's blue atau bisa juga diganti dengan sometimes they would say here's the blue one. Ada one-nya lagi. Ini yang warnanya biru. Here's the blue one in a medium. Would you like to try it on? Nah, waktu itu pernah aku bahas kalau biasanya mau bertanya sesuatu itu pakai would ya. Maksudnya maukah gitu, kayak lebih kayak mengajak kan kalau kita mau nanya mau nyoba nggak gitu, kayak menawarkan itu pakai would. Would you like to try it on? Maukah kamu mencobanya? Would you like to try it on? Gitu. Kalau misalnya tidak ditanya bisa langsung kalian bilang I would like to try it on. I would like to try it on. Kalau misalnya gini, oh here's the blue in medium, and then mau langsung jawab, I would like to try it on. Can I? Atau would I? Or may I? Bisa. Tapi ini yang gampangnya dulu yang ada di sini. Would you like to try it on? Okay, yes, I love it. It fits. Yes, saya suka sekali. Nah, it fits perfectly. Fits itu artinya it fits when the clothes is pas. Iya, ini pas banget katanya gitu. It fits perfectly. Ini pas banget. How much is it? Nah, how much is it? Berapa harganya? Jadi kalau mau bertanya tentang harga, how much is it? Ya, misalnya mau belanja apa nih? If you want to shop books or something in the bookstore, in a grocery store or something, if you want to ask for the salesperson, you can just ask how much is it? Gitu. Sambil dipegang barangnya. How much is it? It's $50. 50 itu 50. Ya, it is ya, ini bisa disebut it is atau it's $50. Nah, di sini dibilang it will be 53 with tax. Tax itu apa sih?
Pajak.
Ya, jadi maksudnya it will be jadi 53 sudah termasuk pajak. Nggak perlu pakai kata including tax. No, you can just say it will be $53 with tax. That's it. Perfect. Atau kalian mau ganti good, nice, itu boleh. Perfect itu maksudnya apa ya? Bukan artinya sempurna, tapi kayak okay gitu, kayak bagus gitu. Jadi bisa pakai kata perfect, bisa pakai nice, bisa pakai good, I'll take it. Nice, I'll take it. Amazing, I'll take it. Gitu. Ya. So, how many students? How many people are here? 16.
7. Okay.
17 including me. Okay, so it's gonna be 2 people again in one group. Akan menjadi dua orang lagi. Ini kayaknya pas ya, jadi 16, jadi ada 80. Okay, so you're going to practice. Ini aku naruh ke roomnya itu random ya, maksudnya random ini it's automatically by Zoom. So I don't really choose who to be with who. Jadi aku yang nggak pilih siapa dengan siapa. Tapi kalau misalnya kalian pernah selalu dapat orangnya, bisa bilang. So you can practice with another person. Jadi biar kenal juga sama yang lain. Tapi selalu berbeda kan setiap masuk room? Selalu berbeda atau selalu dapat orang yang sama?
Beda
ya? Okay. Beda. Okay, so I'm going to make the breakout room. You can join now. Bisa langsung join. Ms. Ayu and Ms. Lisa, you can join. Okay, remember always take turn. Ya, selalu bergantian. Nanti yang jadi salesnya siapa pertama, nanti yang keduanya siapa.
Oke, thank you, Miss.
I'll
Aku
be right
panggilnya,
back in a few minutes.
Oke.
Okay,
Huh?
don't forget to take turns. Jangan lupa untuk bergantian ya. To be the
Oke.
sales.
Siap,
Miss
siap.
Desi,
Yes.
ini mau tanya kalau dolar 50 itu sebutannya gimana ya?
$50.
$50.
Ya.
$50.
Kalau mau pakai rupiah juga nggak apa-apa. Misalnya 5,000 or 5 million, that's up to you. Bisa diganti. Boleh diganti-ganti apa mau mencari something else? That's up to you. If you're trying to look for something else, bisa diganti. Okay? I'll be back in a few minutes.
Oke, kita belajar ya.
Okay,
Okay.
Desi.
Hello, don't forget to take turns. Ya, jangan lupa untuk bergantian. Dan juga if you want to change the if you want to change the sweater into something else, that's fine. Or the price, mau harganya diganti juga boleh. Atau malah lebih baik kalau harganya diganti atau barangnya yang dicari diganti, that would be better. Okay, jangan lupa
Desi?
berganti. Yes.
Usual, I want to ask to permit to share screen in this
Okay.
room.
Oh, okay. 1 second. Okay, now you can share screen.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay.
Are you guys practicing?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, don't forget to take turns. Jangan lupa bergantian. If you want to change the things or if you want to change the sweater into something else, that's fine. If you want to change the price, the size, the color, that would be great. Ya, jadi jangan terlalu sama juga sama contohnya. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes.
Oke.
Medium.
Medium.
Ah.
Miss, we can ready, Miss. Belum ready, Miss.
No, that's fine. Go ahead. I'm just trying to see.
Yeah. Let's see.
Terus, iya benar-benar.
Let's see. Here's a nice white one. What do you think?
I think I'd rather have it in blue. Gimana baca tadi? Rather ya?
I'd rather.
Rather. I think I'd rather have it in blue.
Yeah. Okay. Here's blue in a medium. Would you like to try? Would you like to try? Gimana Miss nih baca Miss?
Try it on.
Would you like to try it on?
Okay, yes, I love it.
To try it.
It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $50. It will be 50.
Just did.
Berapa ya?
53.
Three.
$53 with tax.
Oh, nice. I'll take it. Nice. I'll take it. Kayak gitu ya.
Okay.
Anis. Duh.
Gitu.
Ulang lagi.
Okay, good. Nah, if you want to change the thing, the sweater into something else, that would be good. And as well as the size, the price, or the color. Kalau kalian mau mengganti dengan barang yang lain juga boleh. Lebih enaknya lagi ini aja. Just imagine that you are actually shopping right now. Ya, ceritanya lagi nyari apa sih? Mau nyari hijab atau nyari yang lain? That would be great.
Oh, oke.
Dari
Kalau
abaya
nggak
kita
bisa,
abaya.
ya, kalau misalnya nggak mau pakai dolar, pakai rupiah juga nggak apa-apa. Misalnya 5 million. If you want to make it fancy, say 5 million, 10 million, that's up to you. Million itu juta ya. 5 million, 5 juta. 1,000 itu 1.000. Kalau hundreds itu what is it? Ratus. Okay. I'll be back.
Gimana nih? 1,000?
1,000 itu 1.000.
Bu?
Kalau hundreds itu ratus. Kalau million itu juta.
Million.
Juta.
Ya.
100 million.
Oke, Miss.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Miss Daisy.
Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes.
Oke.
Oke.
Here's a nice white one. What do you think?
I think I would rather have it in blue.
Okay, here's blue in a large. Would you like to try it on?
Okay, yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
Yeah, it's $50. Will it? Yeah. Maaf ya. It will be 53 ya, Miss ya.
Yeah.
With tax.
Perfect. I will take it. Okay.
Okay, so I forgot to tell you that you actually can change the sweater into something else, and the color as well as the price and the size. Jadi kalian kalau mau ganti sweaternya jadi yang lain boleh, harganya, warnanya, ukurannya. That would be great. Jadi kayak just imagine that you are actually shopping right now. Ya, tapi take turns, bergantian.
Okay.
I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay.
Siapa duluan, Kak? Kakak duluan yang tadi pertama.
Siapa?
Kakak.
I would rather have it pink.
Okay, here's pink in a medium. Would you like to try it on?
Okay, yes. Perfect. I ya. Bisa aku nggak bisa.
I will take it.
I will ya, Miss. I will take it.
Will or I'll juga boleh.
Oh, I will ya.
I will aja kalau lebih gampang.
Aku nggak bisa ribet lidahnya.
Nggak apa.
Lidahnya
Ya, nama barangnya boleh diganti. Misalnya, if you want to change the sweater into something else, that's fine. The size, the color, as well as the price. Jadi kalau mau ganti warna, ganti ukuran, atau ganti harganya juga boleh. That would be really great if you change them. Lebih bagus lagi kalau memang diganti. Ya, do not forget to do the small talks and take turns. Jangan lupa bergantian nanti yang siapa yang jadi salesnya, siapa yang jadi pembelinya. Okay?
Yep, Miss.
Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
We start again. We try again, yeah?
I forgot to tell you guys that you can actually change the sweater into something else, as well as the size, the color, and the price. Jadi kalau mau diganti sweaternya, ukurannya, size-nya, harganya, dan juga warnanya tuh jauh lebih baik lagi. So just imagine that you are actually shopping in the shop right now. Okay, and take turns to be the salesperson and the customer. Tetap bergantian siapa yang jadi sales dan siapa yang jadi pembeli. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Yes, I will try with Sarah.
Oke, ulang lagi, Kak.
Ya, oke. Hello, good evening, Sarah. How are you?
Wait, what? Yeah. Back to room 1.
Be $53 with tax.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Okay, thank you. Here's yours.
Are you guys ready?
We are ready.
Ready? No
Yes.
tax?
Yeah.
Ready.
No tax.
No tax?
Oh, okay, thanks.
Atau pakai tax? Okay.
With and without tax.
With or without? Okay. Okay. Or take a glance. Ngelirik-ngelirik dikit.
Okay.
Okay. Let's hear it.
Okay. Good evening, mister.
Good evening, madam.
Maybe you need help. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater in a size medium.
Let me check. Here's a nice white one. What do you think? Do you like it?
I think I would rather have it in blue.
Okay, let me check. Here is blue in a medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It is $50, but it will be $53 with tax.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, here's yours.
That's really great. That there's a little bit improvisations there with the let's check, yeah. That's really nice, yeah. Let's see atau let's check itu sama aja sebenarnya. Okay, now take turns to be the
salesperson. Okay.
Okay. Good evening, madam.
Good evening, mister.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater in a small size. Do you have it?
Let's see, check. Yes, a nice white one. What do you think?
I think I'd rather have it in blue. Do you have it?
Okay, here's a blue in a medium. Could you like to try it on?
I love it. It fits perfectly. How much it is?
It's $50. Will be 53 with tax.
Okay, no problem. I'll take it.
Thank you, madam. Good evening.
Okay, great. That's a really nice improvisation. I like it. So you guys can stay here in the room if you want to practice more, if you want to try to improvise again or improvise more or try to remember all the important stuff here. Jadi yang warnanya apa nih? Warnanya tebal itu yang biasanya lebih yang pentingnya. Nah, Miss Lareta atau Mr. Daniel bisa share screen, bisa saling menampilkan layar kalau misalnya mau belajar sendiri lagi. But you can go back to the main room if you want.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
In a minute.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome.
It fits perfectly. How much it is?
How much is it? It's $50. It will be $53 with tax.
Perfect. I'll take it.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
I'll take it. Perfect.
Okay,
I'll
udah.
take it.
Oke. Kayaknya udah ada missnya tadi tuh. Udah lewat.
Ready?
Oke, sudah
Ready.
Miss.
Let's hear
Ready.
it. Let's hear it.
Aku dulu ya. Oke, bismillah. Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Hi, I'm great. Thanks.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater in a size medium.
Let's see. Here's a nice white one. What do you think?
I think I would rather have it blue.
Okay, here's blue in a medium. Would you like to try it on?
Okay, yes, I love it. It is perfectly. How much it is?
It's $50. It will be $53 with tax.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Yes, gantian.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Hi, I'm great, thanks.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater in a size medium.
Let's see. Here is nice white one. What do you think?
I think I'd rather have it in blue.
Okay, here's it. Okay, here's blue in a medium. Would you like to try it on?
Okay, yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $50. It will be $53. We take.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Okay. Do not forget to always say thank you at the very end. Ya, walaupun di sini nggak
Okay.
ditulis ya. Kan
Oke,
ceritanya kita
siap,
lagi
Miss.
ini, okay? Yeah, okay, that's
Okay,
great.
sip. Sorry,
You guys,
Miss.
yeah, that's fine. You guys can stay here if you want, or you guys can go back to the main room. Bisa tetap di sini atau kembali ke main room. Terus juga kalau mau share screen pun juga bisa. Tapi kalau dari handphone nggak tahu ya bisa apa nggak share screen. Jadi misalnya
Ya,
share
aku
screen
pakai
tentang
handphone.
kalau share screen tentang layar sama, jadi masih sama-sama belajar lagi, bareng-bareng lagi, mau practice lagi, that would be great.
Okay.
Okay, see you in a minute.
Okay, thank you, sis. Miss. Thank you,
Iya,
Miss.
kita lupa.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Are you guys ready?
Okay, ready.
Ready? Okay, let's hear it.
Okay, so I'm become the salesperson first, and Miss Ayu will be the buyer.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, Miss Ayu.
Hello, good morning. What are you doing?
Hi, good morning. I'm doing great. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for jeans in a size extra large.
Let's see. Here's a nice black one. What do you think?
I think I'd rather have it in blue.
Okay, here's blue in a large size. Would you like to try it on? Oh, sorry. Here's blue in extra large. Would you like to try it on?
Okay, yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $100, and it will be $105 with tax.
Perfect. I'll take it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, nice improvisation. That's what I've been waiting for, to say thank you at the very end. Because some other people in the other rooms, they just forgot to say thank you, even it's not written in the ebook. Walaupun gak ditulis di ebooknya, di contoh percakapannya, tetap harus bilang thank you at the very end. Ya, okay. Now take turn. Bergantian
Okay, so
sekarang.
I'm the buyer, ya.
Okay.
Okay. Hi. Good afternoon. How are you?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm great. Can I help you?
Yes. I'm looking for a hijab in a size large.
Let's see. Here are nice with one. What do you think?
I think I'd rather have it in pink.
Okay, here's pink in a large.
Would you like to try it on?
Okay. Yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
$20. It will be $25 with tax.
Okay, great. I'll take it. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Keren banget tadi. Bisa lebih luas-luas dikit lagi biar nggak usah kaku-kaku, nggak apa-apa ya. Harus sering dilatih. Kalau misalnya biar nggak kaku itu harus sering ngomong. Misalnya ada satu kata nih yang nggak bisa. Misalnya if you can't say 50, say 50 for 10 times or even 15 times. Kalau misalnya nggak bisa nyebut kata 50 atau kaku gitu, coba disebutkan satu kata itu berkali-kali, 50, 50, 50 sampai bisa 50-nya. Gitu ya, itu untuk melatih pelafalannya. Oke, if you guys want to go back to the main room, that's fine. If you want to stay in this room again, it's totally fine as well. Bisa berlatih lagi di sini, mau masih di room juga boleh ya, kalau mau masih practice more.
Yes.
I'll see you guys in a minute.
Okay.
Ini room berapa? Room 3 ya? Room 3. Are you guys ready?
Ready?
Ready, Miss?
Yeah, let's hear it.
Hello, Miss. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing well, thanks.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm searching for a shirt in the size XL.
Let's see. Here's a nice blue one. What do you think?
I think I'd rather have it in the black.
Okay, here's black. Here's black in an XL size. Would you like to try it on?
Of course, yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $60. It will be $62 with tax.
Oh, perfect. I'll take it one.
Okay, you will pay in the cashier. Thank you, Miss.
Oh, thank you. You're
Okay, that's
welcome.
great. That's really nice improvisation at the very end of the conversation. Always ends with thank you. Itu bagus banget. Soalnya tadi ada beberapa yang pertama lupa kali untuk menambahkan thank you. Okay, take turn now. Bergantian sekarang.
Okay. Hello, Miss. Good afternoon. How do you do?
Hi, I'm doing great. Thanks.
Okay. Can I help you, Miss?
Udah mati mulu dari tadi.
Iya.
Halo.
Halo, Miss Desi.
Halo.
Miss Sarah suaranya kecil, nggak begitu kedengeran.
That's okay.
Miss Maria.
Ya mulai dari apa?
Masih mau berlatih?
Iya, lidahnya masih kaku.
Yeah, I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm sorry. I accidentally joined another room. Tadi nggak sengaja ke join roomnya. Tadi mau mindahin. Okay, go ahead. Tadi siapa yang lagi bergantian? Let's hear it again.
Okay. Hello, Miss. Good afternoon. How do you do?
Hi, I'm doing great. Thanks.
Can I help you, Miss?
Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt in a size medium.
Oh, let's see. Here is a nice white one. What do you think?
I think I'd rather have it in gray.
Okay, here is a gray one in the medium size. Would you like to try it on?
Okay. Yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's the $60. It will be $62 with tax.
Perfect. I'll take it one.
Okay, you will pay in the cashier. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, and you're welcome.
Okay, that's really nice. I really like it. Okay, so if you guys want to want to go back to the main room, or if you guys just want to stay in this room, that's fine. Kalian kan bisa ini ya, share screen kalau mau latihan menampilkan layar bareng-bareng gitu, baca bareng-bareng juga boleh. Atau yang lain-lain atau ngehafal-hafalin juga boleh. If you want to practice more, that's fine. Yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Ini tadi room berapa? Room 4 ya?
4. Without tax.
And with
ya
tax free.
jadinya. Jadi baru
And
terus
with
habis itu
tax free. Perfectly. I'll take it.
Oke. Give me a moment. Apa ya? Oke, tunggu sebentar. Saya bungkusin apaan ya? Ada Miss. Hi, Miss.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Insyaallah.
Okay, let's hear it.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing great. Thank you.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a abaya in a size small.
Let's see. Here a nice red one. What do you think?
I think I'd rather have in black.
Okay, here's in black in small. Would you like to try it on?
Okay, yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It is 500,000 rupiah and with tax free.
Oh, really? Perfect. I'll take it.
Okay, Miss. Gitu.
Okay, that's really nice improvisation, but do not forget to always end the conversation with thank you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you part.
Okay,
Even it's
thank
not,
you.
I mean, it is not written in the ebook, but basically just try to practice yourself to say thank you.
Miss, kalau mau bilang mau saya bungkus saya bungkus gitu.
You can say.
Oke, saya bungkus gitu.
I'll get it ready juga boleh.
Miss, kalau kayak gitu tadi Miss kayak it's 100,000 rupiah without tax atau gimana Miss tanpa
Boleh without tax atau with no tax juga boleh. Or bisa langsung ngomongnya tax free juga bisa.
Oh, jadi nggak pakai with lagi ya Miss ya?
Nggak perlu.
Oke.
Boleh pakai with, boleh pakai boleh nggak. Oke, take turn. Bergantian sekarang.
Oh beneran gantian.
Gantian.
Oke. Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm wearing abaya in a size large.
Let's see. Here's a nice red one. What do you think?
I think I'd rather have it in black.
Okay, here's black in a large. Would you like to try it on?
Okay, yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's 500,000 rupiah, tax free.
Wow, I'll take it.
Okay, thank you. I will. Apa tadi dah? I will
get it ready.
Yeah, I will get it ready.
I will get it ready.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, nice, great. You guys can go back to the main room, or if you guys want to just stay in this room, that's fine. Ya, kalau masih mau di sini juga nggak apa-apa. And just so you know, you can share your screen, bisa share screen di misalnya mau yang lain-lain nih, mau latihan-latihan yang lain juga boleh, bisa. Okay, I'll see you. Oh, caranya ada tulisan share screen kan? kalau yang dari laptop, but I don't know how to do it in on the phone. Ada share screen kan? Nah, share screen ini nanti diklik, bisa dipilih layar apa yang mau di-share.
Oh, macam itu. Oke, Miss, thank you so much, Miss.
Okay. Welcome.
Coba ini berarti.
Medium jadi large. Oke, Miss Desi sudah masuk.
Tadi Namira telat, apa memang tadi ke disconnected sih?
Enggak, akunya bingung, Miss. Tadi kan disuruh masuk ke room lagi kan. Tapi tiba-tiba masuk ke room 7. Jadi akunya bingung.
Harusnya ada di room berapa?
Harusnya room 7 sih.
Ini room 6 ya?
Gak apa-apa.
Iya.
Tapi tadi udah tahu kan apa yang harus dilakukan? Sudah praktis belum? Sudah ya? Nanti bergantian ya. Oke, now are you guys ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, let's hear it.
Ini siapa dulu? Sarah sama
Namira aja dulu.
Oh, Sarah sama Namira. Oke. Oke, Namira. Oke, Sarah duluan ya. Hello, Miss. Good afternoon. How are you doing? Well?
Hi, I'm great. Thanks. How about you?
I'm great too. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a dress in size like.
Let's see. Here's an
Hilang.
Mira.
Iya.
Lanjut, Mira.
Udah ya?
Enggak, belum. Itu masih ada. Let's see. Here's a nice white one. What do you think?
Oh, enggak kedengeran. I think you rather have in warnanya tadi apa ya?
Black.
Oh, black. Yeah. I think I rather have in black.
Okay, here's a black. It's a large. What do you like to try it on?
Okay, okay, yes. I love it. It fits perfectly. How much it?
It's $100. It will be $110 with tax.
I can see with card.
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You're welcome.
Okay, that's really nice improvisation at the very end with the thank you and have a nice day. That's really nice. Okay, now take turns.
Okay, Lili sama Sarah atau sama Mira?
That's up to you.
Kak Sarah ya, Kak Sarah.
Oh, boleh.
Ya.
Lilis duluan ya, Kak Sarah Glorianya.
Oh, boleh. Ya, ya. Hi Miss, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a dress. It's a size large.
Let's see. Here's a nice white one. What do you think?
I think I would rather have it black. It in black.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, here's black in a large. What you like to try it on?
Okay, yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $100. It will be 110 with tax.
Perfect. I will take it. Can I pay with card?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, good. Now, that's really nice. The improvisation at the very end with the thank you. Have a nice day. That's really nice because some rooms they probably forgot or just not used to saying thank you. Tapi next time itu tetap harus ini ya apa namanya dipertahankan setiap kita memesan sesuatu atau membeli sesuatu. Or asking for help, always say thank you at the very end. Okay, now you guys can go back to the main room, or if you guys want to just stay in this room, that's fine. Kalau masih mau di sini juga nggak apa-apa. Or if you guys want to keep doing the practice, that's fine. We'll see you in a minute.
Okay, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
You're very welcome. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yes, I'm ready, Miss.
Okay. Let's hear it.
Yeah. Who first, Miss Leah?
Hello, Sarah.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
hear me?
Yeah. I can. Who first?
Me, be salesperson, yes?
Yeah. Okay. Let's
Yes.
try.
Yes. Hello, Sarah. Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. And how about you?
I'm great. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt in a small size.
Let's see. Here's a nice brown one. What do you think?
I think it rather have in a pink.
Okay, here's a blue in a small size. Would you like to try it on?
Okay, yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
Is it $10? It will be 12 with tax.
Nice, I will take it. Chinese position.
Yes.
Hello, Leah. Good evening. How are you doing?
Hi, Sarah. Good evening. I am doing great. And how about you?
I'm great too. Thank you. Can I help you?
Yes, I am looking for a t-shirt small size.
Let's see. Here's a nice brown one. What do you think?
I think would rather have it in pink.
Okay, here's pink in a small size. Would you like to try it on?
Okay, yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $10. It will be $12 with tax.
Nice, I will take it.
Nice.
Okay. That's really nice, but you forgot something.
What is it?
Always say thank you at the very end.
Yes, sorry. Yes,
That's fine. That's fine. Just to Just get used to it, ya. Berusaha untuk selalu bilang terima kasih ya. Thank you at the very end. Okay, but overall that's really nice. Okay, good.
Yes. Miss, I want to asking, wait.
Yeah,
a minute.
what is that?
This is dollars or dollar?
Dollar.
Dollar.
$50. Yeah, with us.
Nggak ada tambah belakangnya ya, Miss ya?
$53, $5, $1. Okay.
Dollars. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now we'll see you in a minute.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome.
I think I would rather have it in red. Udah ada Miss Desi.
That's fine. That's fine. You can just keep going. Okay. Sudah siap? Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's hear it. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thank you.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a dress in a size small.
Let's see. Are I nice with one? What do you think?
I think I would rather have it in red.
Okay. First, red in a small. Would you like to try it on?
Okay, yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $60. It will be $65 with tax.
Perfect. I will take it. Gantian.
Okay. Take turn. Bergantian sekarang.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Hi, I am doing great, thanks.
Can I I help you?
Yes, I am looking for a dress in a size small.
Let's see. Here's a nice white one. What do you think?
I think I would rather have it in red.
Okay, here dress. Here red in small.
Oh.
What do you like to try it one?
Okay, yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It is $60. It will be $65 with tax.
Perfect. I will take it. Gimana, Miss?
Okay, that's really nice. That's really great. That's really nice. But you forgot something. You guys forgot something. Always say thank you at the very end. Yeah. Every time you ask for help or if you everywhere always say thank you if somebody just helped you. Ya. Selalu bilang terima kasih setiap orang yang sama seperti di Indonesia kita bilang terima kasih, so thank you gitu. Yeah. But overall, it's really nice. Great. Okay, now let's go back to the main room.
Okay.
Sama 12, 11 sama 12.
Oh iya, 11, 12.
12.
12. Kalau 13, 30 ya? Hai, Sarah Afriani.
Halo, Yani.
Yes.
Hello, Liza.
Halo,
Hai,
kalian.
Lia.
How are you doing?
I'm great, kalian.
I'm sorry, I will sell in my shop.
What?
I will sell in my shop. Well, I will study. Yes, thank you.
Okay, so how was the practice? How was the practice? Gimana tadi practice-nya? Did you get something? Did you get something new? Ada yang it's great, nice. Ada ini nggak? Ada yang mendapatkan sesuatu yang baru nggak kalau yang di latihan tadi? Is there something new?
Yes.
Yes, I have.
Yes.
Misalnya apa?
Vocabulary.
Okay.
Other size.
Okay.
Reader.
Okay, but one thing I want to remind you, because some of the rooms just forgot to say thank you at the very end, ya. Biasakan selalu say thank you. If you just ask for help or somebody just helped you, just always say thank you at the very end. Ya, jadi biasakan untuk selalu bilang terima kasih di akhir percakapan ketika orangnya ada orang yang membantu. Okay, but overall, there also some people made a little bit improvisation after they said thank you, say have a nice day, have a good day. Itu juga bagus banget improvisasinya karena memang banyak yang seperti itu bilang. Misalnya, okay, thank you, have a nice day. Hey, thank you, have a good day, gitu ya. Maksudnya apa ya dalam bahasa Indonesia itu? I don't know how to explain it in Indonesia. What do you think when someone says have a nice day? Biasanya kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia apa sih kira-kira kalau yang bilangnya have a nice day, have a good day? Kita nggak ada ya. Biasanya kita cuman bilangnya terima kasih gitu.
Makasih, datang lagi ya.
Kalau kita kayaknya
datang lagi ya. Biasanya kita bilangnya datang lagi. Ya, kalau di luar sana they won't say please come back later. No, they would say just have a nice day or have a good day. Kalau misalnya sudah malam, have a good night juga bisa. Gitu ya. Jadi itu juga salah satu yang bagus terutama untuk stranger. If you talk to strangers, try to be like we as Asians, they see us as a really polite people. Mereka itu kalau melihat orang-orang Asia itu pasti orang yang sangat sopan gitu. Mereka tuh sangat suka dikasih small talk oleh orang-orang kita ya. Misalnya, thank you, have a nice day, have a good day. Pasti mereka senang banget. Gitu. Okay, so let's go back to the material. Okay, here. Can I help you? I'm looking for. So there are some phrases that are being bolded here. Ada beberapa frasa atau phrase yang ditebalkan warnanya. Apa? Ya, warnanya karena ini apa? Yang lebih sering digunakan, yang biasanya ada. Kayak misalnya, can I help you? Ya, can I help you juga bisa diganti dengan may I help you? Gitu. Wait, what? Did someone say something? No? Okay.
Apa bedanya May sama Ken?
May sama Ken.
Kayak robot.
Oh, sebentar. How do I fix this? Bentar ya. Nah, aku mute dulu ya. Oke, can you hear me better? Bisa dengar suara aku lebih bagus nggak? Lebih baik nggak?
Okay. Yes,
I can.
Okay, let's start talk from the beginning here. Always starts with small talk. Selalu diawali dengan small talk, ya. How are you? How are you doing? How is it going? Pokoknya small talk bisa dilihat di buku yang satu lagi. And then they will always start with, can I help you? Or may I help you? Or do you need help? Ya, biasanya dan ini juga tidak hanya berlaku ketika lagi ada di shopping. If you see somebody that needs help, ada orang yang butuh bantuan, kalian bisa bilangnya, I'll write it here. Kita tulis di sampingnya. Sebentar. Ini kalian bisa lihat layarnya nggak?
Bisa.
Yes, we can.
Sebentar. Oke, di sini bisa, can I help you? May I help you? Perbedaannya Ken sama May apa sih? Kalau May itu lebih sopan.
Lebih polite.
Lebih polite. Yeah, it's more polite than can I help you. May I help you? Itu sama seperti can I help you, cuman dia lebih sopan. Atau juga do you need any help gitu. Do you need any help? Apa ada yang perlu dibantu gitu. Biasanya do you just want to look around? Apa mau lihat-lihat dulu gitu kan? Ini yang pertanyaan ketika orang ingin butuh bantuan, menawarkan bantuan. Do you need help? May I help you? Or can I help you? Can I help you with something? May I help you? Are you looking for something? Gitu kan? Atau bisa juga, are you looking for something? And then, yes, I'm looking for, ingat lagi tadi looking for artinya adalah mencari. Ketika kalian ingin mau ngomong mencari, I'm looking for a sweater, I'm looking for jeans, I'm looking for books, and if you are in a grocery store, ketika kalian di grocery store itu kayak misalnya Tip Top, Giant, yaitu ya, yang store makanan kebutuhan, itu namanya grocery store. Kalian misalnya mau mencari Pampers. So you go to the salesperson atau orang yang ada di situ, you can just ask, hey, I'm sorry, I'm looking for a diapers. Hey, I'm sorry, kalian bisa menghampiri orang tersebut, bisa bilang excuse me, bisa bilang sorry juga boleh, atau pardon me, I'm looking for a diaper or something else. Misalnya I'm looking for beef, I'm looking for milk, I'm looking for eggs. Atau kalian bisa juga bilangnya excuse me atau I'm sorry, where can I get the beef, or where can I get the chicken, or where can I get the eggs? Artinya di mana saya bisa dapat daging, telur gitu ya. Tapi lebih just untuk lebih formal dikit aja ngomongnya I'm looking for. kita langsung kasih tahu apa sih yang lagi kita cari gitu. Excuse me, I'm looking for, atau misalnya I'm searching for juga boleh. Tapi kalau misalnya nih ada yang kita baru masuk tapi nggak disapa gitu, maksudnya nggak disapa, nggak ditawari kita nyari apa sih, kan biar kalau di sini kan jarang ya kita ditanya mau nyari apa, kecuali kalau tokonya itu sepi atau misalnya tokonya itu toko bagus ya. Nah, biasanya mereka akan menanya, tapi kalau kayak yang just di department store in general, kalau department store yang biasa, yang kayak misalnya kita ke Sogo atau kemana, paling cuman bilang selamat pagi, selamat siang, gitu, selamat datang. Kalau tidak ditanyakan, kalian tahu apa yang mau kalian cari, langsung aja cari. Biasanya kalian kan nanya, Mbak, ini di mana ya? Mbak, saya nyari ini ada di mana ya? You can just ask. Excuse me, I'm looking for, gitu ya. I'm looking for a sweater. Where is the aisle? Di mana tempatnya, gitu. Nah, itu yang untuk I'm looking for. Jadi I'm looking for itu saya mencari for a sweater in a size medium atau medium size. Jadi bisa dibalik ya. Kalau kita mau langsung menyebut size-nya, jadi misalnya small size. Misalnya, I'm looking for a sweater, small size. Tapi kalau size-nya di depan, kalau kita kan bahasa Indonesianya dibalik ya. Jadi ukuran kecil, ukuran sedang. Tapi kalau di dalam bahasa Inggris itu dibalik. Jadi medium size, small size, kecuali kalau depannya ada kata in a. Dalam ukuran, baru pakai size-nya di depan. In a size medium, in a size small, in a size large. Tapi kalau nggak mau pakai in a ribet, kalian bisa langsung ngomong small size, medium size, large size. Oke, tadi let's see. Oke, nah let's see ini oke. Misalnya tunggu sebentar ya, coba lihat dulu ya, gitu. Let's see, atau ada juga tadi bilangnya let's check. Atau bisa juga kalian kemarin yang itu yang wait a minute. Okay, give me a second juga boleh. Boleh ngomong kayak gitu. Let's see, here's a nice white one. Or give me a second. Or you can say I'll be back in a minute. Nanti dulu ya, kita dicari dulu. Here's a nice white one. What do you think? I think I'd rather have it in blue. Nah, kalau misalnya susah ngomong ngomongnya I would. I would rather. Yeah, I would rather have it in blue.
Miss, kalau pakai I prefer boleh?
I prefer juga boleh. Ya, jadi would rather itu sama seperti prefer. Ya, gimana tulisan prefernya? Ini ya. Prefer. Lebih suka atau lebih baik, gitu ya.
Kalau kita pakai prefer, jadi kalimatnya kayak gimana, Miss?
Kenapa?
Kalau kita pakai prefer, nanti kalimatnya jadi gimana?
Kalau prefer itu nggak usah pakai would lagi. Misalnya I prefer in blue, gitu bisa langsung. Saya lebih suka warna biru. Gitu. I would rather have it in blue. Kalau kepanjangan bisa langsung ngomong prefer aja, lebih baiknya. And then would you like to try it on? Again, would you? Awali dengan would you. Kalau kita mau menanyakan atau kayak memberi apa sih namanya, memberi options. Would you like to try it on? Would you like to try? Atau juga boleh. It on itu maksudnya dikenakan, ya. Lebih memang kalau mengenakan sesuatu itu pasti katanya ada it on-nya di belakang. Ada would you like to try it on? Kalau misalnya makanan, kalian mau nyicip nih, pasti biasanya ditanya, would you like to try it? Gitu, mau dicoba? Gitu. Kalau misalnya nggak ditanya mau dicoba atau enggak, kita bisa tanya, boleh nggak dicoba? Can I try this on? You know, can I try this on? May I try this on? Pokoknya may itu digunakan untuk lebih sopan, sangat sopan ya. Tuh.
Kalau misalnya kita pengen mencoba makanan, itu kita ngomongnya gimana, Miss?
Yeah, you can just say, can I try it? Gitu. Can I try it? May I try it? Gitu. Boleh dicoba gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya untuk sesuatu yang dikenakan, sesuatu yang dipakai di tubuh, ada on-nya di belakangnya. Can I try it on? Can I put it on? May I try it on? Gitu. Ada on-nya di belakang karena sesuatu yang menempel di tubuh. Ya.
Okay.
Nah, kalau misalnya hanya boleh nggak dicoba, can I try it, may I try it, gitu. Nah, tapi kalau untuk mau bertanya, misalnya lagi belanja sama teman, mau nyoba nggak gitu? Would you like to try it on? Gitu.
Okay.
Mungkin susah ngomong try it on ya. Try it on itu kalau dalam bahasa Inggris itu, kalau kita perkata kan ngomongnya gini pasti, try it on. Nah, sebenarnya bisa supaya langsung satu kata gitu. Kan ini dibacanya try. Ya kan? Try. Misalnya try. Ini dibacanya it. Langsung digabung jadi satu, try it. Jadi dia langsung ada titiknya. Try it on. On-nya baru misal. Try it on. Try it on. Atau kalau mau digabung lagi nanti dia berubahnya jadi kayak D suaranya. Try it on.
Try it on.
Try it on. Nggak D juga sih sebenarnya, bukan D juga, tapi lebih ke T, tapi try it on. Agak D-nya tuh agak ngambang di dalam lidah itu di dalam mulut itu ngambang. Try it on. Jangan try it on. Coba say it. Try it on.
Try it on.
Try it on.
Try it on.
Try it on. Ya, pokoknya kalau bahasa Inggris itu harus jadi monyong-monyong pikirnya. Try it on. Would you like to try it on?
Would you like to
Would you like to try it on?
Okay, nice. Would you like to try it on?
Would you like to try it on?
Okay,
Would you
nice.
like to try it on?
Okay, good. Nah, ini sekarang lagi. Next, how much is it? Harganya berapa? Atau misalnya kalian ada dua pilihan nih. Kalian mau tanya ada dua pilihan baju, harganya berbeda. Dan mau tanya nih, how much is this one? Ya, yang ini berapa gitu. Kalau yang how much is it kan cuman istilahnya tuh gini. Ini berapa gitu. Kalau ada how much is this one, yang ini berapa harganya gitu. Ya, bisa juga begini nanyanya. How much is this one? Ingat tadi one-nya itu kan menggantikan kata yang kita pegang nih, yang kita pegang, yang sudah kita tahu barangnya apa. How much is this one? Jadi misalnya kalian dikasih dua sepatu. If you are given two choices, two different types of shoes. Ada warna merah, ada warna yellow. How much is this one? Misalnya mau warna yang merah. Kita lagi pegang ada dua-duanya. How much is this one? Sambil ditunjuk. How much, atau bisa juga bilangnya how much is the red one? Misalnya ya. How much is the red one? Gitu kan. Kalau tadi ada warna biru dan warna putih. How much is the blue one? How much is the white one? Ya gitu. Jadi bisa juga how much is this one juga bisa. Atau how much is this juga boleh. Tapi biasanya kalau ada kata one-nya di belakang itu biasanya ada barang dua pilihan dan kita mau nanya salah satunya itu berapa. Gitu. Ya. Ini untuk yang bertanya harga. How much is it? How much is this one? How much is the... Ini maksudnya red berarti bukan kita semua menanyakan semua dalam bentuk red ya. Ini contoh warna. How much is the red one gitu. And then it's 50. Nah, ini tadi cara bajak juga yang lumayan salah yang pakai 50. Bukan 50, tapi 50. Angka 5 itu memang kalau sendiri, if it stands by itself, it's 5. Tapi kalau sudah ada gabungan yang lain, itu jadi fifth. Misalnya 15, 15, 50, 50. Kecuali kalau ada tambah hundreds dan thousand. Misalnya 500, 5,000, 5 million gitu. Tapi kalau 55, 55. 45, 45. Kalau 5-nya itu at the very back dan itu dia sendiri disebutnya tetap 5. Tapi kalau 5-nya di depan ada sambungan lagi di belakang jadi pakainya fifth. 15, 50. Ya. 5 50, 5, 15. Tapi kalau 55, 55. Seperti itu. Ya, with tax. With tax boleh juga kalau mau bilang kita no tax. Boleh ngomongnya no tax. It will be 50 with no tax atau free tax. Kalau kalian mau bilang ada free tax berarti nggak ada harga tax. Gitu. Perfect. Nah, kata perfect ini bisa diganti dengan nice. Amazing gitu, terus I'll take it gitu ya, and say thank you, you're welcome. Nah, kalau sudah dikasih harganya, misalnya kita udah semua ini ya, yang tadi kan ada kata have a nice day, misalnya sudah bayar, selesai sama kasirnya, thank you and have a nice day gitu. Atau misalnya biasanya mereka sudah bilang duluan, have a nice day, have a good day, you too, bisa juga, kamu juga gitu. Ya.
Okay.
Tapi ingat selalu awali dengan small talk. Oke, now, boleh bertanya? Yang mau bertanya sekarang?
I have question.
Okay, let's hear it.
Kalau perbedaan untuk looking for sama looking at itu gimana?
Okay, sebentar. Let's go to the whiteboard. Okay, looking for dan looking at. Kalau looking for itu artinya mencari, ya, mencari. Tapi kalau looking at itu artinya, kok nggak bisa ini? Mencari. Kalau looking at itu artinya melihat. Why are you looking at me? Kenapa kamu ngeliatin saya? Gitu. Why are you looking at me? Atau looking at itu juga ada kata staring at. Kalau misalnya suka dengar, why are you staring at me? Kenapa kamu ngeliatin saya gitu? Staring. Staring itu ngeliatin, tapi kayak emang yang ngeliatin banget itu staring. Tapi looking at itu melihat. Misalnya I'm looking at a movie. Saya sedang melihat no, it's more looking for, jadi mencari movie. Something that I'm looking at the flowers in front of me. Saya sedang melihat bunga yang ada di depan saya. I'm looking at you. Saya melihat kamu gitu. Saya sedang melihatin kamu. She is looking at me. Dia sedang melihat saya. Dia sedang memperhatikan saya. Melihat atau memperhatikan. Looking for, I'm looking for a new house. Saya sedang mencari rumah baru. I'm looking for a new computer. Saya sedang mencari komputer baru. Gitu. That's the difference between looking for and looking at.
Oke, berarti looking at itu sama kayak see ya, Miss?
Ya, kayak see. I see you. Tapi see itu ada perbedaan dengan see dan looking at. Tapi looking at itu lebih ke sesuatu yang sedang kita lakukan ini sekarang. Kita sedang melihat itu sekarang gitu. Itu looking at.
I'm looking at screen gitu.
Ya, I'm looking at the screen gitu.
Oke. Thank you, Miss.
Welcome. Is there another question? Ada lagi pertanyaan yang lain?
Miss,
ya.
Itu kata-kata yang digabung tuh seperti kayak mana aja, Miss, nandainnya itu?
Maksudnya?
Kayak kan yang tadi try apa?
On.
Try on gitu. Itu kayak mana kita tahu ini katanya bisa digabung gitu sama yang enggak digabung?
Kalau digabung itu maksudnya bukannya digabung ya, bukan maksudnya kalimatnya digabung, tapi cara pengucapannya.
Cara pengucapannya ya.
Ya, bisa jadi lebih cepat. Gimana caranya? Itu harus lebih sering harus lebih sering dilatih. Jadi harus bisa lebih sering luas. Try it on, put it on. Nggak kan kalau ada yang mau bicara put it on, turn it on. Tapi kalau digabungkan turn it on, put it on. Take it off. Atau kalau satu perkataannya kan
keeping on.
Take it off gitu. Itu lebih sering harus berlatih kalau untuk yang bisa sampai menyambungkan kata. Would you like to try it on? Take this off. Turn the lamp gitu. Nah, terus ada kata turn on dan turn off, ya kan? Berbeda ya. Turn on itu dinyalakan ya atau dihidupkan. Tapi kalau turn off itu dimatikan atau dipadam kayak gitulah pokoknya. Beda. Setiap ada kata belakangnya ini namanya collocation ini berbeda. Ada on, off, for, at gitu. Misalnya kata arrived. Misalnya saya baru sampai di Jakarta. Ada yang bilang arrived at, ada arrived in, itu berbeda artinya arrived at dan arrived in. Ya, jadi itu nanti agak panjang pembelajarannya. Oh, terus lagi tadi tentang thousands and ini ya, hundreds. Ada hundred, ada thousand, ada juga million. Kalau hundred itu ratusan, thousand itu ribuan, dan million itu jutaan. Ya, kalau misalnya 500.000, kan ratusnya dulu yang disebut baru ribunya. Jadi 500,000 gitu. 500,000. Kalau mau 1 juta, 1 million. Gitu.
Kalau 1 miliar?
1 miliar itu billion.
Billion.
Billion. Gitu ya. 100,000, million, billion. I have 200,000. Saya punya 200.000. Saya punya 1.500.000. I have 1.500.000. Memang agak susah karena di Indonesia itu kan mata uangnya kan banyak nolnya ya. Jadi harus disebutin satu-satu. 1.500.000, 1 jutanya 1.500.000, 500,000. Gitu. Ini yang untuk tadi banyak juga yang agak keliru tadi sebutan. Soalnya tadi ada yang bilang juga 5,100. Kalau 5,100 apa artinya? 5.100. 5.100 berarti 5.000 dan 100 perak. Gitu. Okay, anything else that you wanna ask? Ada lagi hal lain yang mau ditanyakan?
Maybe enough for today.
Miss Lia mau bertanya, masih di mute.
Halo.
Ya,
Miss.
halo.
Saya ingin bertanya, di can I help you apa boleh diganti dengan what can I do for you?
Yes, what can I do for you? Juga boleh. Apa yang ya itu sama seperti do you need help gitu. What can I do for you? Can I help you, itu juga boleh. What can I do for you? Oke.
Ya, bertanya lagi Miss, kalau triliun bahasa Inggrisnya?
Trillion.
Ya.
Trillion itu apa sih kalau bahasa Indonesianya? Di atasnya billion. Triliun, ya, triliun. Oh iya, bahasa Indonesianya triliun, 5 triliun. Nah, itu triliun itu kan di atasnya billion.
Iya.
Iya. Di atasnya juta, miliar, di atasnya miliar, triliun. Juta itu million, miliar itu billion, trillion itu triliun. Trillion.
Tulisannya sama, Miss.
Iya. Enggak, kalau bahasa Indonesianya pakai U. Triliun. Ya.
Kalau bahasa Inggrisnya pakai Y.
Trillion, ya. Pakai sama kayak million, billion, trillion. Cuman bedanya me, be, tree.
I own.
Okay. Any other questions? No? Oke, alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Akhirnya pertemuan hari ini selesai. Kita lanjut lagi next week on Monday, same time, 7:30. Yeah. Again, if you want to ask something else, you can just DM me atau bisa juga bertanya di grup. I will respond as fast as I can.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's take a picture. Kita picture dulu. Aku suka kelupaan mau picture. Oke, sebentar ya. It's for thumbnail. Wah, ini gimana ya? Sebentar.
Rapi-rapi semua ya.
Oke. Oke, 3. Sarah nggak bisa ya? Miss Sarah nggak bisa dinyalakan kameranya ya? Oke, let's 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you. See you guys next week.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Miss.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, friend.
Bye-bye.